These are the Walmart candles that I like, right? But see, they don't have a top, and it's the same price as Aldi's, and they're actually smaller now that I look at them. You don't get as much for $3.96, 4 cents difference, and they have tops, and it's a prettier glass that you can use over. So that's why I like the Aldi's candles. And I'll show you those, insert those if you guys missed those. Oh my gosh, guys, look, Walmart is stocking up on more plants. I don't know if your Walmart does, but look at the price. And this is why I be coming to get these snake plants. So I'm coming to get plants for Rizzy's room, and they have the palms, and these are 16 as well. They even have pothos for $6 down there. So yeah, gotta come check them out. Come check them out. And they look healthy. Usually you can't find too many healthy plants here at Walmart, but they look really healthy. I'm surprised. Surprise. Now, this is the size that plant was, wasn't it, when we first got it? These are cute. This is like the one in my living room, guys. This is the cane. I call it mass cane, yucca cane. There's different names, but they get really big. And that's the one. It was just this size when we got it. Maybe about this size. Yep. Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. So I found the 2 palm trees for Rizzy's room. So this was a part of a little mini haul. I wanted to go see if I can find some items that I needed for my car. And something said, go check the plants. So now we don't have to go to IKEA and keep looking. I found some pretty decent ones, so I'm excited about that from Walmart, and those were $16.97 a piece. So these will go in her room. Then this is just a little mini haul. This is what I was looking for this morning. Why does it feel like this is kind of empty, which is weird? Like I don't have much in it, but this is good for getting bugs off your car. I went to wash my car because I have a membership, and when I went, the bugs weren't coming off good. So this African guy, he was really cool. He came over and was like, you have problem? It's not coming off? I said no. So he started spraying this stuff and letting it sit, and the bugs were coming off even better. And I'm like, I know he don't have time to really do my car. I said, so can I see the container? So I took a picture of it, and so yeah, I'm going to try that with getting the bugs, because I have a white car, so definitely want to get the bugs off of it. Then y'all know I do the Downy Unstoppables in my burner, and I'll link the video below for that, because oh my gosh, it makes my house smell amazing, and this lasts me some months. So yeah, I still got like half of the other one, but because I use it for the laundry and I use it for putting it in there, so that's why it goes a little faster. But I don't even put many in the laundry. I got some sponges, and I'm going to be doing a hack with this to share with you guys. That hack, which is a laundry hack that you guys are gonna love. And I should have inserted before this a little video of the candle from Walmart, showing you the difference and how much candle you get, and the difference in price, and how beautiful the Aldi candles look. You know, I'm trying to load up on these candles. You know, this is one of the ones that I said smelled very good, which is a new one, and this is the one that I'm currently burning here. And look guys, I've been burning this every day for hours, and it is still going strong for $3.99, and it smells the whole house up. So yeah, let me close this up. I definitely wanted to share that with you guys. So I got some extra virgin olive oil. My olive oil thing over there needs to be refilled, and then I need some more orange juice, some cranberry juice, some pancake mix, and I'm gonna try their syrup. I don't think I've tried this one. Y'all know I like to try different syrups, and I will definitely update you on how this tastes. This was $6 something, but I just love the pure syrup. Rizzy still likes the Aunt Jemima syrup, so I get that for her, which I think is just so much sweeter than the natural syrup, or the 100% pure maple syrup. So that's why I like this, and I don't use a lot of it, so it lasts me longer. Then I got some organic apple juice, some golden potatoes, and then me and Naya were thirsty, so we grabbed these little Snapples, Mango Madness, and apple. And then I got these from Aldi's as well, which is a cage-free egg. I got away from brown eggs because it seems like they would have more blood and different craziness in them than the regular white eggs, which really turned me off. So I got a dozen and it wasn't so bad. So I'm gonna try another dozen because we are empty. The egg container is empty. So that's that. And then you guys know I love, 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 love their paper towel, Great Value paper towel. I used to be a Bounty girl, but when I found these, Bounty went to the trash, meaning to the curb. So if you don't know, these select the size are amazing. I really want to get into getting reusable paper towels. So that's something in the future, so I don't have to keep buying these. These are 14 bucks, but these do last a long time. They really do last a long time. I probably have to buy this maybe twice, maybe three times during the year, maybe. So I don't go through them as much. So yeah, that's that. And so that's my mini haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will be sure you probably would have seen it, how I insert the Walmart candle before this video so you can see the difference in this. And I will load up my video for this, and also it's another video I wanted to share. Yeah, no, just the video for this at the bottom of this one. And yeah, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this mini haul, and I will see you guys